Sairam children, welcome to maths class. Children, let us continue with our chapter number 8, measurement. In our last class, we have learned about meters and centimeters. Today, we are going to understand the concept of kilometers. Now, what is kilometers when it is used? Right? Now, kilometers is a unit of measurement, okay, to measure length of a long distance, or we can say that long distances are measured in kilometers. For example, children, if I want to know the distance from Thana station to Shrima Vidyalaya, our school, okay, what we do is we normally check in Google and all, correct? So when I checked, I got the distance as 7.8 kilometers. Okay, so you can see here like the longer distance is measured in kilometers. In short, children, the longer distance between two cities, okay, like Thana city or Dombivli city, like if you want to measure, or the length of a river, okay, the river from where it is flowing, it start to end, and a mountain, if you want to measure the length of a mountain, it cannot be measured in meters, okay, because it is a smaller unit. So we use a bigger unit of measurement, which is called as kilometer, to measure such lengths. Children, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or in short we write kilometer as km and meters as m. Okay, so you have to remember this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. When you go from a particular place to, when you get 1000 meters, it is equal to 1 kilometers. The same way, for example, if I go to 2000 meters, then it will be 2 kilometers. Now, I told you 2 kilometers, but how does it happen? The conversion we are going to understand now, from kilometers into meters. Children, I told you 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? Now to convert a length given in kilometers into meters, we multiply by 1000. Okay, we multiply the number by 1000. Now this is very important. What you are doing here, you are converting from kilometer to meter. That time we multiply by 1000. Now how it happens? Here see, 1 kilometer is equal to, okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1, this one, okay, and here we have multiplied by 1000. So when we multiply by 1000, I will get my answer in meters. Okay, 1 into 1000 is equal to 1000 meter. The same way, if I want to know what is 2 kilometers. So what I will do, I will take the number 2 multiplied by, yes, 1000, correct. And I will get my answer in meters. 2 into 1000 is 2000 meters. Right, children? See here, children, 2 into 1000 is 2000. Now if I want to find for 3 kilometers, the same way I will do, I am going to multiply by 1000 and I will get my answer as 3000 meters. So 3 kilometers is equal to 3000 meters. 4 kilometers is equal to 4000 meters. How we got? By multiplying by 1000. Now children, the same way, if I want to find out what is 12 kilometers, so how I will do? I will take the number and I will multiply it with 1000. Okay, so 12 into 1000, children, it is multiplication by 1000. Remember, multiplication rule, you have to add your zeros. So see what answer we have got, 12,000 meters. So 12 kilometers is equal to 12,000 meters. Children, here we are going to convert 5 kilometers and 120 meters into meters. Okay, now here you can see, children, the question, it is in kilometers and meters. Okay, both of them are given together. We have to convert the whole thing into meters. Okay, now let us see how we are going to convert it into meters. Now, children, we can see in the question that already a part of it is in meters. Okay, this 120 meters is there. So we will not touch that. First, we are going to convert the 5 kilometers into meters. Okay. So children, the question is 5 kilometer and 120 meter. Okay. First, we are going to convert the 5 kilometers. We know the formula. The formula is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? If I wish to convert 5 kilometers, how we will do? 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 meter, correct? 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 meters. Okay, so this is, we have converted kilometer into meter. Now children, the next is we have converted 5 kilometers, correct? Now this part is remaining. 120 is already in meters. So what we will do? The meters that we have got, we are going to add them together. Okay, we are going to add the 5000 meter and 120 meter. So let us write the question here. 5 kilometer 120 meter is equal to 5 kilometers we have converted, correct? Here we have got 5000 meter that we are going to write. 5000 meter plus we have replaced here 5 kilometer as 5000 meters and we will add here 120 meters which is remaining. 5000 meters plus 120 meter is equal to 5120 meter. Okay children, this is how we are going to convert kilometer and meter into meters. See children, here the same thing, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? Then we will convert 5 kilometers first. 5 kilometer is equal to 5 into 1000 meter which is equal to 5000 meter. Then we will write the question and then we are going to replace 5 kilometers that we have got as 5000 meter plus 120 meter. Then we will add, right? 5000 plus 120 meter which is equal to 5120 meters. Got it children? How we have to do it? Children, next I am going to teach you the conversion of meters into kilometers. Okay, we have learned till now about kilometers into meters. Now we are going to understand the conversion of meters into kilometers. Now how we can convert? We can convert meters into kilometers by dividing by 1000. In the previous one we have multiplied by 1000. Now we are going to divide by 1000. Okay. Children, remember one thing. When we convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, like from kilometers into meters, we multiply by 100. And when we go reverse, when we convert a smaller unit which is meters into kilometers, we divide by 1000. Okay. Now, for example, children, remember one thing. when we convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, like from kilometers into meters, we multiply by 100. And when we go reverse, when we convert a smaller unit, which is meters, into kilometers, we divide by 1000. Okay. So let us take an example. 7000 meter is equal to dash kilometer. Now if I want to convert from meter to kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Correct? So I will write here 7000 meter is equal to, we'll take the number 7000 from the question divided by 1000, and we will get the answer in kilometers. Okay, 7000 divided by 1000 is equal to 7 kilometers. So we can say 7000 meter is equal to 7 kilometer. Children, I will show you the division also. 7000 divided by 1000. Okay. So children, 1000 table, it is same as hundreds table or tens table, correct? How we did 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300. Same way 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 1000 threes are 3000, and 1000 sevens are will be 7000. Okay. So we will get our answer as 7. Or there is one more way. See children here. Here what we have done, 7000 divided by 1000, we have got 7 kilometers. Okay. The division directly also you can do without dividing. Okay. Remember the rules and properties that I have taught you. Here you can see in 1000 there are 3 zeros, 7000 also there are 3 zeros. So you can use the cancellation method. You can cancel 110 in each side, correct? So here I am cancelling 10, here 10, here also 10, this side also one more 0, here 10 cancelled and here 10 cancelled. Now there are no zeros remaining, so we have to stop. And the answer that we have got is here 7. You can see children here 7 kilometers. This is more easier. Okay. Now the next example is 10,000 meter. So 10,000 meter is equal to 10,000 divided by 1000. Correct? Now how we got here 10? Look children. We will do the cancellation one. See, we will cancel here 10, here 10 on the other side. This side 10 cancel, this side 10 cancel. Here 10 cancel, here 10 cancel. Now children, this side we don't have any more zeros to cancel, okay, with the other side. So we are going to stop. And what answer did we get here? We get here 10. So 10,000 divided by 1000 is equal to 10 kilometers. Got it children? Or simply if you want, you can divide also. Now let us take one more example. Here the distance between two cities, city A and city B is 3252 meters. Okay, express this distance in kilometer and meter. Now there are two cities and their distance is given in meters. We have to convert it into kilometer and meter. How we will do it children? We can do whenever we have to convert into two units. What we will do is we are going to expand the number. Now here meter we already have. We also want in kilometer. So in such a case, we are going to expand the number in thousands place. Remember, for kilometers, we are going to expand the number in thousands place. Okay? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So remember thousands place. For step 1 is to expand the number in thousands place. So 3252 meters is equal to 3 is in thousands place. The place value of 3 in thousands place is 3000, correct? So it is 3000 meter plus remaining we will write as it is. Okay, here 252 meter is given, that we are going to write as it is. So 252 meters. Step 1 is complete. We have expanded the number. Step 2 is we are going to convert 3000 meter into kilometer. It is easier. Okay. So let us convert 3000 meter is equal to, if we wish to convert from meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. So 3000 divided by 1000 kilometer. Okay, children, we can just cancel here. See, 110. What answer we will get? 3000 divided by 1000 is 3 kilometers. Okay, so we have converted 3000 meters into kilometers. Now next step is write the expanded one that we have done. So 3000 meter plus 252 meter is equal to, now we have converted this part. What is 3000 meter? 3 kilometer, correct? Plus what is remaining here? 252 meters. Now children, this is our actual answer. Okay, we have got it in kilometers and meters. So we are going to remove the addition sign and we will write as 3 kilometer and 252 meters. Got it, children? See children, here the same thing. Let us understand one more time. First, we are going to expand the number at thousands place. So it will be 3000 meter plus 252 meter. Okay. Second step is we are going to convert 3000 meter into kilometer. Correct? How we will convert? By dividing by 1000. 3000 meter is equal to 3 kilometer. Then we will write here the expanded form. And then we are going to replace the meter into kilometer, which is equal to 3 kilometer plus 252 meters. That is our answer. 3 kilometers and 252 meters. So children, thus the distance between city A and B is 3 kilometer 252 meters. So this is how we are going to solve our questions. Children, for today, this much only. Thank you. Have a good day.